1, 2, 3.
There's lots of different things we can train on.
Flat, hold, observe, release. Otherwise, you're gonna end up shooting your buddy in the back.
We definitely like to see them make their mistakes out here. We'd rather have them make their mistakes here than in Afghanistan or in Iraq.
And units that's in need of assistance outside the wire that's within 15 minutes of reach. All right? Then it goes.
And what we're doing is we're training them how to protect their FOB, which is better known as a forward operating base.
You'll go approaching on the right.
The first step you always want to check is hold the face up, make sure that the face matches the picture on the ID.
The instructors that have been downrange have been more than happy to share their experiences and what they've seen.
There's 3 major things that we focus on out here: counterinsurgency operations, ID defeat, and operations in an urban environment. These guys are from the Air Force. They throw them in one JSTO unit. We get them to do key leader engagements with the villagers, trying to discuss what they need to do to improve their villages, and then what their assessment is on what the village really needs. And if the two relate, then that's the project that they'll talk to them about completing. And we get them to try to build relationships, build rapport with the local nationals.
Yeah, and we need you guys to dig some well for us.
For IED defeat, what we try to get them to do is spot indicators for IEDs and react to them.
We try to hit the back of the convoy. Reason being is try to split the convoy so we can try to make the 2 separate entities working separately, so that way we can try to divide and conquer.
Told our radiator was blown and one of the front tires was blown with the rim still intact, so we can move.
The front is missing apparently. They're requesting the combat commander come up with the vehicle.
Which blew off your whole turn of your vehicle. What type of recovery do you think you're going to need for here?
Probably need a tow truck.
Roger, we're going to go ahead and set up an LZ.
We just had an injury to one of our trucks. One of the members in the truck.
If you start an IV, they don't have to take that strap
did
off.
self-aid buddy care. Got called in for a helicopter medevac vehicle we had to tow out. It was destroyed.
For the operations in urban environment, again, just dealing with people in these close proximity situations and how they're going to maneuver their vehicles, and to just be aware that there's civilians out on the battlefield.
We have a few different scenarios that we're going to do for them where they'll send people in that's got fake IEDs on them. So if there's any attacks, they know how to react to the attacks that's going on.
That's a Roger. We can see Tower 6 from our location. Like to report shots fired within the village over.
Our observation is that we hope that what we train them here, they take this in and use this while they're overseas.
The training here has been very good. It's opened up a lot of eyes for individuals. We've been able to talk to some very experienced Army soldiers that have provided the training. We're getting first-hand knowledge on what we'll be seeing when we go downrange.